Welcome to the shop where I just picked up Seizmik's Versavent windshield from a Razor XP1000. This windshield comes with detailed instructions, comes with all the mounting hardware, and it comes with a windshield. Now this windshield has got a vent in the windshield, and what this does, it catches air and it lets it inside the cab, and you can adjust it with these little arms here. Now you can adjust it so it's got a defrost, or you can let the air come in on you, and you can let it hit your face, or you can hit it down low, wherever you want a little extra air circulation. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this seal and I'm going to start it around the bottom of the wing. First thing you want to do is pull this plastic back just a little. Then you want to find about the center. Take your seal, put it with this rib facing toward the inside. Slowly work your way around the windshield and just press this seal on. You want to make sure you get it on good in these little corners. Make sure you press down in there real good and get it in there firm. You can take a rubber mallet if you need to. When you get down to the end, or I should say when you get back to the beginning where you started down here on the bottom, you're going to have a little excess trim. You can take a pair of snips or anything and just trim that off. With that done, we're ready to install a couple clamps. Next, I'm going to take 4 of these clamps, slide 2 on each side. Next, I'm going to take a towel. I'm going to wipe this gasket off just a little. Next, I'm going to set the windshield in place. I'm going to hold it up with my clamp. Then I'm going to take one of these hard plastic spacers, slide my bolt in that spacer, line up my dowel and my bolt with my windshield clamp. Then I'm going to take one of these nuts and install it on the inside. Next, I'm going to do the same thing on this side over here. I'm going to take my hard spacer, slide my bolt through it, line it up, and install my nut on the back side. Before I go any further, I'm going to clean where this windshield is going to be sitting just a little. With that done, I'm going to go ahead and start my bottom ones the same way. Now with all 4 of my bolts and everything in place, I'm going to adjust my windshield all the way up as tight as it'll go, and I want it tight all the way around. Now with the windshield setting like it needs to, with it tight all the way around, top and bottom, I'm going to go ahead and tighten up these 4 bolts. That's all there is to installing the Seizmik Versavent windshield.